How to install PIP in Visual Studio Code. So to use PIP in Visual Studio Code, you'll simply need to install Python by searching for Python. Click on the first link. Now from here, go to Downloads and make sure to download the version you need for Python. Otherwise, you can get the latest version. You can click here to get the installer for the latest one or download it through the install manager. And once you download it, you'll need to run the installer. For example, I have the installer downloaded already here, and you can double click on it to open it up, and then simply press install or upgrade now if you have an older version, and confirm, and this should start the installation or updating process. Now once the setup is done, you can close out of this and you can open up your command line to check if it's properly installed by typing python space dash dash version. And if it shows a version, that means the Python is already installed and successfully installed. You can also type PIP to check if it's working, and it should print the help commands and how to use it. And to use the PIP in Visual Studio Code, you can simply open up your Visual Studio Code project and open up the terminal by going to Terminal, New Terminal. And in here you want to type PIP space install or whatever command you want to run, followed by the library or whatever thing you're trying to do. So for example, installing VSCode library, and press enter, and this should work properly and it should install whatever library you're trying to get. You can also do the same thing if you run it on your command line or CMD or terminal. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.